Welcome. My name is Peter Strong. I am a professional psychotherapist based in Colorado, and I offer Skype therapy for anxiety and depression and other emotional problems that benefit from the techniques of mindfulness therapy, which is what I specialize in and find to be very effective when delivered over Skype. So Skype therapy simply refers to psychotherapy that's delivered through Skype. You can use other video platforms, of course, but the important thing here to understand is that Skype therapy allows you to see each other, and that makes the experience of psychotherapy very much more effective than other online therapy approaches. If you can see each other, then there's really no difference in the effectiveness of Skype therapy when compared to therapy in person. So I've been offering Skype therapy for many years now, and most of my clients really enjoy it. It's certainly more convenient since you can conduct your therapy sessions in the comfort of your own home or from your office or wherever works for you. It means that you can schedule it much easier than having to take out a large block of time to commute to a therapist's office. So that's one important aspect of Skype therapy. Really, the whole movement of online therapy is one of trying to make psychotherapy more available for you. It should be something you can easily access to get the help that you need to work with anxiety and depression or addiction or other emotional problems. So that's a very important feature of this growing interest in online therapy, making psychotherapy more available, taking it out of the clinical setting and putting it into your home as a way of learning how to work with your mind more effectively. So Skype therapy does not support a medical approach. We're not using medications to treat anxiety or depression. For that, you'd need to go to see a doctor in person. But Skype therapy is interested in teaching you how to work with your mind, how to work effectively with anxiety, to overcome anxiety yourself without relying on medications or other external treatment protocols. You want to be able to manage your emotional well-being yourself. That's another very important theme in the mindfulness therapy approach that I teach online via Skype. It's about learning to be more self-sufficient, about learning how to work to promote emotional well-being in yourself and also in your family as well, to improve relationships, to overcome those patterns of reactivity that take us away from our state of well-being and that create so much unhappiness. It's very, very important that you take the initiative yourself to improve your well-being. Don't rely on other people or on medications or on some new technique or whatever. You need to learn how to work with your mind yourself. And that is what I try to teach you during these Skype therapy sessions. Mindfulness therapy, which is what I specialize in and have developed over the years, really is about developing a different quality of relationship with your mind, with your thoughts, with your beliefs, with your memories, especially if they're traumatic memories, with your emotions in general. So we're trying to develop a relationship that's based on consciousness and compassion. These are the two most powerful healing forces available, much more effective than medications. It's about developing a mindful relationship with your emotions. That is what allows healing and recovery to occur. In fact, you could say that emotional suffering is really the product of not having a conscious and compassionate relationship with your emotions. Over and over again, I see people trying to suppress emotional pain, pushing it away, distracting themselves, trying to find something more pleasant to engage in, trying to distract themselves from negative thoughts. Replace those negative thoughts with positive thoughts, they tell you, and all will be well. So I'm here to tell you that that kind of approach will not work. You need to develop a conscious, compassionate relationship with your mind, with your thoughts, with your emotions, with your emotional pain. That is what will make the difference. And so in mindfulness therapy, which is the system that I'll be teaching you during these Skype therapy sessions together, is a way of cultivating this relationship. It's a way of developing the experience of it, of actually doing it. It's a form of training. So mindfulness therapy is training with your mind to help heal emotional suffering. If you'd like to learn more about Skype therapy and the mindfulness approach to promoting healing, well-being, and happiness, then please reach out to me and let's schedule a Skype therapy session. This approach is profoundly effective if you want to make lasting changes. Medications and things like that are not really going to produce long-lasting changes. But when you develop this quality of internal consciousness and compassion, mindfulness, you will see profound changes very quickly. I work with all forms of anxiety, including agoraphobia. I work with depression and addiction, which is usually the behavioral reaction to depression. I work with emotional trauma and PTSD, promoting healing of emotional trauma and pain associated with very traumatic events and experiences. I work a lot with intrusive thoughts, so I work with OCD and many other associated issues like insomnia and anger. I do a lot of work with anger management using mindfulness. And of course I do couples therapy as well, using mindfulness methods to help you resolve conflict and develop more intimacy. So if you'd like to learn more about Skype therapy And if you'd like to schedule Skype therapy sessions with me, then simply reach out to me. Go to the contact page, fill in the form, tell me some more about yourself, what you've tried so far, and how I can help you. And tell me what times work for you. So I see people throughout the USA and Western Europe, and as far away as Australia, Japan, South Korea. All you need is a good internet connection, and then we are ready to start. So if you're interested in Skype therapy and you'd like to schedule some sessions with me, please contact me. Thank you.